Hi, once again with a new video. I am Viraj and this is my YouTube channel Match by Viraj. Right, now today what are we going to learn? Grade 6, grade 7, grade 8. May grade 1 in the mind, what are the difficulties that they are facing? The difficulty is converting decimals to fractions. What is it again? Converting decimals to fractions. Now let's look at this particular number that I have on the board. 23.815. Now if you look at this, usually this is known as the ones place, or in some textbooks digits place, doesn't matter. This is tens place. What is this known as? The tenths place, hundreds place, and this is known as what? Thousands place. Right? So these are easy stuff. You already know them, right? Fine. So what do you mean by 23.815? Understand that here 2 tens, 2 into 10, what is it, children? 20. 2 into 10 is what? 20. 3 ones, that is 3 into 1, 3. Now let's take only these two numbers into consideration, and when we add them up, what is the answer that we get? 20 plus 3 is what? 23. 2 tens, 2 into 10, 20. 3 ones, 3 into 1, 3. So when you add them both together, you get 23. But the issue, 8 tenths. How do we know this? 8 tenths, that is, it's like a fraction. 8 over 10. 1/100, 1 over 100. 5 thousandths, which is 1 over 1000. If I break them individually, what would it be? Look at this. 0.8 plus 0.01. Then what do we have next? 0.05. And when you add them, what do you get? This one is 0.05, 0.815. When you have 0.815, what were the decimals that we added? 0.8, 0.01, 0.005. So we can come to a conclusion that 8 upon 10 is 0.8, 1 over 100 is 0.01, 5 over 1000 is 0.005. Right. These added together, you get 23 plus 0.815, which is 23.815. Now, this might look like I didn't get that much, but we'll see. You will get it. Really easy, very easy. Right, let's see this. We know that if I have to consider only 0.8, it is what? 8 tenths. Because this is in my tens place, which is like 8 over 10. So what is it that we understand now? We are here to learn things in a quicker way, rapid fast. How many zeros do I have underneath? 1. Therefore, how many decimal places are we to have? We should have only one decimal place. Look at this. If I have 0.01, this is my what? Hundredths place. Therefore, what is it? It's like 1 over 100. Look at that. How many decimal places should I have? 2. Why? 1 is divided by 100. 100 has gotten 2 zeros. Therefore, how many decimal places should I have, children? I should have 2 decimal places. Further moving forward, if you look at this, 0.005, 5 over 1000. Why would I write that again? This is my thousands place. When this is my thousands place, what it is? How many zeros do I have? 3. Therefore, how many decimal places should I have? 3. Now, this is an easy way for us to understand. Again, if I write, this is my tenths place. This is my hundredths place. This is my thousands place. Even for scholarship exams we learn this. Yes, right. So tens, hundreds and thousands. So we will have to convert them into fractions. Now let's see how we convert large numbers into decimals and how decimals can be converted into fractions. Children, let's look at these examples. I have 4 fractions and I have 3 decimals. Let's try to convert these 4 fractions into what? Decimals. Right. How many zeros do I have? I have 2 zeros. Therefore, how many decimal places should I have? I should have 2 decimal places. We know it is then 0.05. How many zeros do I have? 100. 1 and 2 zeros. How many decimal places should I have? 2. Therefore, 0.36. How many numbers do I have on top as a numerator? 3. How many zeros I have for 100? 2. How many decimal places should I have? 2. Therefore, it's 4.05. Look again, we are not changing anything based on the number. We have the decimal places. Here, 8,911 divided by 100. So, which means that it is 89.11. Now, similarly, taking this into consideration, let's try to get the value of this. 0.6. 1 decimal place. Therefore, it should be 6 over 10. 60. 2 decimal places. Therefore, it should be 60 over 100. How many decimal places do we have here? 4. Therefore, it should be 95 and 4 zeros. Now, I have another nice question for you all. Let's see. 108.7. You see that there is only 1 decimal place. Therefore, it should be 1087 over 10. Now, this is one of the easiest methods for you to get the answer. Again, let's see. 5 over 100. There are 2 zeros here as the denominator. Therefore, when 5 divided by 100, there should be 2 decimal places. Therefore, it is 0.05. 36 over 100, 2 decimal places, 0.36. 405 over 100, it is 100. Therefore, there should be 2 decimal places, 4.05. 8,911 over 100, there should be 2 decimal places, and the answer is 89.11. Look at the decimals. Now we are to convert decimals to fractions. 0.6, 1 decimal place, 6 over 10. 0.60, 2 decimal places, 60 over 100. 0.0095, 4 decimal places, 95 over 10,000. If you were to have 108.7, what is it that you should understand? 1 decimal place, therefore 1087 over 10. Last but not least, let's look at these examples. 49 over 100. There are only 2 zeros, therefore we should have 2 decimal places, 0.49. 3768 over 10, which is now, what is it? 376.8. Why? 1 0, therefore there should be only 1 decimal. How many zeros here? 3. Therefore, how many decimals should be there? There should be what? 3 decimals. 5.306. Now look at this, children. There are 2 decimal places. So we are writing the whole number over, yes, 100. There is only 1 decimal place. Therefore, the whole number to be written as such 0.00034 decimal places. Therefore, 3 over 10,000. Children, today's lesson was converting fractions to decimals and decimals to fractions. So if you think that this lesson is important and if you learn something new, you can share it with your friends as well. See you in another video. Subscribe. Match by Viraj.